Hey, 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 how's everybody feeling today? We got some smiles on some faces? We knew when this thing took off, it was gonna take off crazy, batshit crazy, right? That's what we said. And what do we got? It's going batshit crazy. I had some people who commented how they bought some Litecoin just a week or two ago. Man, talk about timing it right. Good job, guys. These people also, I think some of them might have sold some silver to get into some Litecoin. Man, I think it was a good choice right now. What do y'all think? Yes, yes. So, the big question is, why did the market pump so much? Well, we've been talking day after day, week after week, month after month about how close we were to this powder keg exploding, about how close we were for this to just go crazy, how many reasons there were that the cryptocurrency market could just explode and just go and see massive gains. We talked about all these institutions. We've talked about countries maybe getting in and holding it in their reserves. We've talked about pension funds. We've talked about hedge funds. We've talked about just rich individuals. We've talked about adoption. We've talked about backed fidelity. We've talked about all these things, all these reasons why cryptocurrencies could and should go up, and when they do, they're gonna go crazy, right? And here it is. So apparently what initially set it off was a trader came in and bought $20 million worth of Bitcoin on 3 different exchanges, 3 huge blocks all at the same time when we had that first run up of Bitcoin within 1 hour's time. Why did this person do this? Well, could be a few reasons. Oh, if you notice, I do have my Bitcoin shirt on today, wearing it proud, loud and proud. I'm out at my son's tennis match here, and I'll be walking around, and maybe I'll even ask some people if they've ever heard of Bitcoin and what it's done, how it's gone up 25% in 2 days, how Litecoin has gone up, I don't know, almost doubling in less than a week. It's great. All right, so I know sometime, I've mentioned this before, when I get overconfident and cocky, that's when I get slapped back down to reality. But if this bull market is going to be anything like the bull market that we had in the end of 2017, we're a long way from done. You know, our market cap isn't even at 200 billion yet. The market cap back then was 800 billion, and I predict it's going to go even higher than that. So people that are on the sidelines waiting, wondering, did I miss the boat? Am I getting in too late? Remember, Bitcoin is at $5,100. It was at almost 20,000. It's got a long way to go. Litecoin is in the mid-90s. It was up 350, probably higher than that at its highest high. All the cryptocurrencies have a long way to go. So if you're thinking that you got in too late, yeah, you didn't buy at the absolute bottom when I was suggesting you should be dabbling in and buying in, you know, here and there, all the way down. So yeah, you missed the bottom, but you're not buying in at the top. Now let's take a look at the stock exchange compared to cryptocurrencies. What is the first rule of investing? Anybody know? I would say comment down below, but I'm going to say it because I think y'all already know what it is. Buy low, sell high, right? What is the stock market at right now? It's at all-time record highs. Does that mean buy stocks? Are you more comfortable buying stocks or buying cryptos that are near their 1.5 year low? What makes better investment advice sense? Right? Getting into cryptocurrencies is the things that make sense. And hey, if you're not sure what they are, I'm not saying you got to put all of your money into it, but I think you're silly if you don't have at least 10 to 20% of your investment portfolio in cryptocurrencies. Why not? What do you have to lose? If Bitcoin does go up to 100,000, you're gonna be one happy you know what. And if it goes back down to 4,000, you know, so you lose a little bit. Big deal. That's life, you know what I mean? Stock market can do the exact same thing. We've all seen bubbles and bursts in the stock market. We've had a tech bubble burst. We've had a real estate bubble burst. And guys, we're approaching these all-time highs where the housing market's slowing down again. They're talking about cutting interest rates, which devalues the dollar. Printing more money, devaluing the dollar. Bitcoin is a fixed amount. There'll only be 21 million ever. Litecoin will only be 84 million ever. They can't make more of them. It's like land. They're not making any more of it. People who have it, when it's all bought up, are going to be super uber wealthy because it's going to be in demand and you're not going to be able to own one. And anybody that wants to own one, especially these people who like to collect things, you know, you got these rich people that collect art and real estate, and they pay absurd amounts for art. Just, you know what the reason is? Just to say that they have it. And it's a thing. Rich people like things. They don't care about the money so much. They want the things because the things are what have the value. You know, you hear these Picasso or Da Vinci or whatever, they're priceless. You know, you can't even put a price tag on them. They sell duplicates, you know, copies for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Because they're a limited amount, limited editions, and they still want that. Bitcoin, Litecoin, limited. They take energy to produce. They take time. They take effort. They take equipment that you have to buy. They're not just made with the snap of your fingers. These are the real cryptocurrencies with the real value, and you're seeing Litecoin right now showing what it's worth. And if you're watching, you know who you are. The person who said, how's your Litecoin, S-H-I-T coin? You tell me how it is right now, all right? Yeah, we got some way to go to make up the ground, but we're making it up real fast right now, real fast. Heck, at this rate, never mind being at 350, we'll be at 350 by the time the month's over. Maybe before, at the rate it's going, if it keeps this up. And we haven't even seen the retail market come in yet. This is people that have had cryptos in the past that are just starting to put their money back in. They're like, oh, time to catch the next bull run. You know, people that had their money in Tether, people that had their money in the bank and the sideline, people that had put some money in silver and gold, people who put some money in stocks. And now they're saying, people that know about the cryptocurrency market and they know how fast it can move and how high it can go. And they're like, oh, hey, look it, crypto, doing good. Let's take that money and put it back in there. Let's make some big fast money. And that's a very small percentage of people. That's probably less than 5%. I'm gonna say about 3% of the population. Even today, you walk around, you ask people what Bitcoin is, they don't even know what Bitcoin is. They don't know what they're missing out on. They don't know what's about to hit them. And if they have heard of it, they're too scared. They didn't want to take the time to look into it. You know, when something goes crazy up to $20,000 in a month or two, and you're not at least interested in looking into it, that's either you don't have time, or I don't really know what else to say. It's your own fault. But you know what? I guess not everybody's in tune to it like we are, because a lot of people probably just haven't heard about it, I guess. It's really funny to me because I talk about it every day. I do a video every day. I watch videos, I do research, I read articles every day. So to me, crypto is like part of my life. And that's why I guess I find it hard to believe that people don't really, are just clueless to it right now. But I'm so grateful that I am. I'm so grateful to all you people that follow and watch these videos that I make, because I don't get paid to make these videos. I do it because I want the little guy to have something. I'm tired of seeing the rich people and the banks and the elite grab all the good stuff and all the wealth, while the little guys continue to struggle all the time. I did this to try to spread the word to people, and I hope I reach some new people, or at least I reach some people that were on the fence, you know. If I did, you know, please comment down below. Maybe you're already really into crypto and you just stumbled upon my videos and started watching them. I don't know, but I appreciate it. I appreciate the subscribers, the likes, sharing the video. Like I said, I don't get paid to make these, but I'm very passionate about it. I'm very passionate about helping people. And guys, if this market ever does hit the heights that I'm thinking and hoping that it will, please do something good with some of the money. I'm not saying you got to take it all and give it to charity, but think about this world. Think about good versus evil. Think about decisions, even if they're just small things that you can do to make someone else's life better. Because too many people, I see too many people walking around with billions of dollars, these entertainers and these athletes and people that are, you know, bank owners and managers, and not managers, but, you know, CEOs, and, you know, the ones that have these millions and millions of dollars, and ooh, they gave somebody a shopping spree at Walmart. Big freaking deal, man. If I had hundreds of millions, I'd be putting up apartments for the homeless, but making sure that they're, you know, keeping it up. That's going to be part, that'll be part of the policy. They're going to have to move out if they don't. Helping, you know, I'll make another video about that. But guys, please, if you do become uber wealthy, and I don't want to put the cart in front of the horse because we got a long way to go before that happens still, but please do something good with the money. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's really windy out here, and I might be wasting my time. I might get a bunch of comments saying I can't even hear you because of the wind. I apologize if that is the case. I'm trying to go behind a building here, but I'm going to go ahead and watch my son's tennis match. Guys, enjoy this time. Remember it. Remember, it's not always the destination, it's the journey. And what a journey we're going on. We've gone from lows to climbing back up, to struggling, to sacrificing. If I told you how many things I wanted to buy, how much temptation I've had to sell my cryptocurrencies and buy things, I think about that sacrifice, and I think about if it's ever going to be worth it. And guys, God willing, it will be. So I'm going to sign off here. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. You know, kiss your wife, kiss your girlfriend, hug your kids, pet your pets. God bless each and every one of you. Joe Knows Crypto signing off. Have a great day.